tends to happen with especially self-coached athletes is they get in this mentality that more always equals more. So the harder I work, the fitter I'll become. And yes, properly managed, as per this previous example, more and correct and appropriate load will recruit the required adaptations and drive and improve fitness. What tends to happen with overtraining is the athlete or the coach uses too much load, too much stress, and then we get into an unrecoverable situation. So we may only recover back to this baseline. What can sometimes happen at this point, so we've done a big block of training, used inappropriate load, too much intensity, too much duration, is we don't give ourselves adequate recovery. So our fitness is then not improving. Sometimes we see athletes at this point do an event, an FTP test, go and run a time trial, and their performances have remained static because of inappropriate load. What then does sometimes happen with athletes is they use even more load to try and rectify this plateauing of fitness. And this cycle, they actually detrain and recover to a point of fitness below where they were. The worrying thing is as this cycle of overtraining continues, again, there might be an FTP test, there might be a time trial performed by that athlete at this point, their performance actually dips because of the inadequate recovery, and then they're tempted to use even greater stress, and then we don't recover at all. And by that, I mean we end up injured, or we end up so fatigued that we then have to rest for a protracted period of time.